Hello everyone, I am here Professor N.C. Vaidya from Department of Electrical Engineering VPKBIT Varamati. I am here to explain you one very important activity called as a course feedback activity which we are carrying out for the last semester. So I have prepared this video for explaining you that how we can carry out this activity. So see this video and at the end you have to give the course feedback for each course which we have learned in the last semester. So what is course feedback? So course feedback is a response in which learners of the particular course will be able to make sense of information about their performance in the course, and they will be able to use that information to enhance the quality of their work or learning strategies in the future. One very important point is course feedback is completely based on course outcomes. Now one question may come that what is meant by course outcomes? So course outcome is a detailed description of what a student must be able to do at the conclusion of a course. And where do we find course outcomes of particular course? So answer here is nothing but at syllabus copy. Now this is a syllabus copy of second year electrical engineering. Now here you see a course here called material science, and you will see here the detailed information of each course is given, and in that you will find course outcomes here. So course feedback we carry out based on this course outcome. What is being explained here? Upon successful completion of this course, the students will be able to CO1, that is course outcome 1. What students will be able to? Students will be able to discuss classification, properties and characteristics of different electrical engineering materials. Then CO2, state various applications, measuring methods for parameters of different classes of electrical engineering materials. So likewise, there are total 6 course outcomes. In some courses you will find maybe lesser number of course outcomes are here. So these are nothing but the course outcomes which are mentioned in your syllabus copy, and the purpose of this course outcome is nothing but at the conclusion or the successful completion of the course, the students or all of you will be able to get all these outcomes after learning that course. Now we have also given this mid and end semester feedback in the past semesters. So is this course feedback is different from this regular feedback? Yes, it's different. What is this mid-sem and end-sem feedback which we have given in previous semesters? It was about how efficiently a course teacher could deliver a course to the learners in terms of various parameters. And as I have told you that this course feedback is based on completely course outcomes. Okay. Now, why students should give course feedback? So it will help the particular course teacher to improve course content and teaching practices. It will also help a course teacher to enhance performance and increase efficiency of the course delivery in future. It will also help the students and learners to improve their focus on the important part of the course for future opportunities. It will also help the learners to judge their capability of grasping the course, various course content. Okay. So whatever the important course content from the course, how you are able to grasp it, that will give you the clarity. Now how to give this course feedback? Now what you have to do, you have to fill the Google form which is shared on your official WhatsApp group of your various class, that is SE, TE and B. Then make sure that you log in through your official VPKBIT email ID. Then after successfully submitting the course feedback, you will receive its response receipt at your vpkbit.org email. Okay, so here I am going to show you that how the feedback forms look like. So you have to click on the link which will be shared on your WhatsApp group, and after your click, the course feedback form will get open. So here one sample. So this is a V course feedback form for the last semester. So you have to read these instructions very carefully. So we have written here, dear students, being studied various courses in the final year electrical engineering, your valuable opinion and suggestions will assist us to improve our course quality to best of our efforts. All students are hereby informed to give course feedback in terms of high, medium and low. High will be rated by 3, medium will be rated by 2 and low will be rated by 1 for respective course outcomes of various courses which you have already studied in BE class. So similarly, you will receive the course feedback form for your respective classes. So check your email address. It should be from the vpkbit.org domain. Then you have to choose your name. Okay. So just for testing, I am just selecting a test name 3 here. Next, after choosing your name, you have to go ahead. Now you will find here at each section the names of various courses which you have learnt in the previous semester and the deliverer of the course, which teacher has taught that course, so that name will be given here. So you will find here the course outcomes which we had discussed in the presentation. So these course outcomes will be mentioned here. So after successful completion of the course, student will be able to. So here course outcome 1 is mentioned. First, analyze the dynamics of power system along with the means to improve the stability of the system. Now you have to think upon this course outcome and you have to rate whether this course outcome is achieved by you or not after learning this course, and you have to give your opinion by clicking on a particular priority of your judgment. Let's say I am clicking here 3. Like that, you have to click on the priorities for all the course outcomes of each course. Okay, so here you will find various course outcomes for each course, and then you have to move ahead for every different course. Okay, so just for a sample, I am clicking here on any priority, and likewise finally you will move ahead with all the courses. Okay, so you will find the name of various courses here. So see, this course power quality, it has only 3 course outcomes. So all the 3 course outcomes are covering the complete coverage of that particular course. Okay, so like that we have to move ahead. You have to read this course outcome very carefully. Remember what contents you have studied previously and how much you are able to grasp it. Okay, in this way you have to give the feedback for each course. I am just clicking randomly here. You have to think upon it and click on the particular response. They will give us very important inputs regarding improvement. Last window is nothing but suggestions. Okay, so you have to give your suggestions regarding teaching, learning, then facilities available in the department, that is infrastructural, laboratory, classroom or any other facilities, and any other suggestion you wanted to give for the best delivery of that particular course. Okay, so as a sample, I am just typing here any words. So now you can submit the feedback form and finally you will get a thank you response here. Okay, so after submitting the feedback form at your official email ID, you will receive a response receipt from this Google form and you could able to see it. Okay, so this is the response receipt of your Google form which you have submitted as a course feedback. Okay, so I hope you have understood this particular course feedback activity. So as soon you receive this particular link of a course feedback on your WhatsApp group, so please do submit the course feedback for all the courses. Thank you.